Hello, we are from PBL Terem 504, Team 2. Our title is Arduino Stock Investment Board Game. This is our project manager, Mr. Nanda Putra Perkasa STRCOM. And this is our team member. My name is Peter Prigel Wicaksono, and I am as a leader.
My name is Al-Bukhari Muslim. I'm as a member.
My name is Bella Narendra Priscilia, and I'm here as a member.
My name is Sambo Citra Cynthia Dewi. I'm as a member.
My name is Muhammad Iwa Rahmawan. I'm as a member.
I'll explain about our projects. We are working on a board game with stocks investment step. This game previously existed in board forms such as Snakes and Leader or Monopoly like Get Rich. The output we provide is a mobile game that controlled by a console.
This is the contribution of course involvement. First, game programming help in programming a game because this course is the main course. Next, artificial intelligence help in learning various mechanics of logic, artificial intelligence. Next is entrepreneurship, help in proposal needs, especially business proposal. Next is English communication, in learning the correct way to use English for our project. Next is hardware programming, help in assembling the game console we need. Next is 3D animation, help in creating the asset in the game. And the last is Pancasila education, assist in the application of Pancasila values to project development. Output that will be produced, presentation slide, project report, presentation videos, PBL product, manual book, poster, handover document, and intellectual property right document.
Okay, as you can see, these are our logbook history. So in the first week, our progress is 1%, and in this week we had a meeting with our project manager to discuss the concept of the game. And next, in the second week, our progress increased to 5%. And in this week, we had a meeting with our client, and we tried to play the board game that had been previously created by our client. Next, in the third week, our progress increased to 8%. And in this week, we started to compiling content for our assets, and then we started to create our 2D and 3D modeling design forms. Next, in the fourth week, our progress increased to 14%, and in this week, we created flowchart design, and then we also continued to make our 2D game design, and then we started to designing our board in 3D modeling. In the fifth week, our progress increased to 20%, and in this week we have been working on our 3D assets, and we currently also programming the bidding phase in the player order distribution section. Next, in the sixth week, our progress increased to 35%, and in this week we start to complete all the 2D design assets, and then we also have completed the semester system sequence program. Seventh week, our progress increased to 51%, and then we also already purchased our IoT hardware for our controller, and then we also have completed the bidding phase and moving phases and semesters.
Okay, this is our backlog history. In here we have 21 progress our backlog. And the first is making RPP, the next making flowchart, creating 2D design, creating design document for entire game, explore the 3D game asset, filling game mechanics, making board and dice, creating definition token, creating player sequence program, creating bull and bear risk asset, creating gold cave asset for the main character, complete the system for semester and phase transfer, complete the small mechanics such as pressing or click object, and the last creating pocket asset for consumer sector.
This is our project documentation. The first picture was taken when we creating a 3D animation asset. The second picture is the problem of the Blender software when we creating 3D animation. The third picture is the problem of the laptop often having a blue screen. And the last picture was taken when we go consultation to our lecture for IoT hardware.
My job desk. The first my job desk is as a group leader, and I'm a game programmer.
My job desk is game design artist, 3D artist, and preparation of reports.
My job desk is 3D artist and preparation for the report.
My job desk is 3D artist and game design artist.
My job desk is game design artist and programming game.
Next is constraints and solution. The first problem is client who ask for too much and they are always revision, addition, or unexpected thing. The solution is not agree further the excessive things they ask for beyond the initial agreement. The second problem is Windows often get corrupt with the blue screen up to 10 times. The solution is reinstall the corrupt Windows and add the RAM. Third problem is having trouble connection to microcontroller to the IDE. The solution is consult with the lecturer, find the solution related to microcontroller problem. And the last problem is the time available is very tight, and the solution is make a good time management.
In the next plan, we want to complete the entire 3D asset, coding of all phases, create repair requirements, and assemble hardware for games. That's all about our presentations. Thank you.